Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man, and I'm really excited tonight. I've actually got butterflies because I'm going to be checking on the barn owls in the tower that are onto the second brood, and this is the first visit that I've made to the nest since I've started on their second brood. And I know they're on a second brood because I've been monitoring the behaviour of the adults, seeing them taking food in, and the female is now taking food in as well. Well, she's been doing that for about 2 weeks. So I know the owlets are of a certain age where they can self-thermoregulate their own body temperature. So I'm going to go up, check out the age of the owlets, and then set a date for ringing them. So let's go up and have a look. Let's go. Right, here we go. Can hear him
I
missing.
can hear them, yeah. Oh gosh.
Right, so here we go. God. Oh, that is unbelievable. This is amazing. My God, that is unreal. Right, so that was that. There was 5 young in the tower. God, I'm like my heart's still beating about that. But usually I'd ring them, but it's because it's such a family occasion because they're at the bottom of the garden. I'll be setting a date for when we ring them and all the family can be. So yeah, absolutely buzzing about that. So. Hi, just a video update. Yeah, there's still 5 barn owls in the tower, but there's been a change of plan. Well, I said that it's going to be like a family occasion. We're all going to be here to ring them. I've been in talks with the BBC, and the BBC are interested in coming down and doing a feature on the conservation work that I do, plus film me ringing the barn owls in the tower. So that's really exciting news. I'm going to really look forward to that. So I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.